In this video, I would show you how to use ChatGPT to create free sewing pattern. Guys, welcome to today's class. So I'm currently at my workshop. I'm trying to make an outfit and I was trying to get the pattern of the outfit and I was cracking my head a bit, and then I remembered I saw a video of somebody saying you can use ChatGPT as a fashion assistant to help you create patterns, and I was like, okay, why not try it? And lo and behold, guys, it is working. I actually went to ChatGPT, prompted it, and it gave me exactly what I wanted. So I'm going straight to the point. I'll show you a screen record of how to go about it. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I would like to believe you have the ChatGPT app already on your phone. If you don't, you should go and install one from your app store. So now once you click on it, open, you said you can ask me anything. Here now you upload the photo you want to sew. So I uploaded the skirts that I want to make, and yeah, it added. This is it, and then this is me typing my prompt. I would like to sew this skirt. I need a sewing pattern for it. You have to be specific. Tell it exactly what you want. So here I indicated that I needed a sewing pattern for it, and this is it. Great choice. So first thing it did was to give me a pattern drafting guide for the skirt. This is it. You see, I've uploaded my measurements initially, so ChatGPT has record of my measurements. That is why it gave me the measurements to use, and then it explained the structure of the skirt and how to divide the total length of the skirt, how to divide each layer. You can see how specific it is. Now it's giving me the width. That means how I would cut the gathers. So for the first year, it's telling me I would have to do 1.5 times my hip measurement. Then the second one is 1.7 times the total width of the first tier. And then the second one is 2 times the total width of the second tier. Now, of course, I can adjust with the fabric I have. And now it's giving me the cutting layout, how to cut it and how many pieces I am cutting for each layout. And you see how amazing ChatGPT is? It actually gave me the sewing steps so that I don't get confused. And then it asked if I wanted a visual pattern, and I said yes, I want it. And now it's processing, and voila, guys, this is it. My sewing pattern with detailed explanation of how to sew it and structure it. ChatGPT is a game changer, guys. You should try it and let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or if you need help. And don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe for more educative videos like this. This is it. ChatGPT is for you. You can save your image. See ya.